Peace and love to my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family. I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug, and as promised, I'm back with another video, where I'll be addressing the next number, which is master number 11. Now, this particular number carries the same energy it would even if you're born on the 29th, because once added together, they make the number 11. And by now, we should know and understand that all numbers carry their own unique energies and vibrations. However, when your birthday number is the master number 11, makes it beyond special. If you are a master number 11, whether you're born on the 11th or the 29th of any month, it simply means you are highly intuitive, okay? Also, if you're a balanced individual, you are kind-hearted and big on keeping the peace. And more than likely, you're big on spotting trends as well as pushing boundaries. In addition, you can be very manipulative and be a bit of an extremist, okay? And if this is your birthday number, your current life's lessons will be to learn how to be more decisive and stay focused on accomplishing your dreams. Well, that's all I have for you today. And like always, if you like or love the content I've been sharing on this channel, please hit that like button and leave a positive comment below if you wish. And a new subscriber wouldn't hurt either, because that's only you showing love, which I'm highly appreciative of. And once again, I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug, signing off until the next video. Ase family, peace.